Hello, people of the internet. My name is Raj. I go by Raj-Mahal, sometimes Sad Boy Chicken. But I'm starting this YouTube channel to talk about some things that interest me, and also to document my year of living in Florence, Italy. I've already been here for about 4 months, on and off, and it's weird. I was so excited to come here originally, and then I kind of got disillusioned with the entire prospect. As the time got closer, I met some interesting people. I got sad about leaving my friends, and for the first few months I was here, I was honestly in a bit of a funk. But I recently had someone who came to visit me who, after seeing the way they saw the city, and after remembering all the reasons why I wanted to come here, I got excited to be here again. And I thought that I shouldn't let this opportunity really go to waste. So I really want to document my time here, kind of just show off what it's like living here. And I figured if I'm doing that, I might as well also just make videos about stuff that I'm interested in as well. I came here, so a little bit about me. I came here for culinary school. I've just always been impressed by the Italian technique of just really good ingredients and letting the actual ingredients speak for itself. Versus like the food that I grew up with, right? Indian food is like heavily like spiced to preserve it a lot more, right? So I was very interested for that. I'm still very interested to continue to learn more techniques and to hopefully work in an Italian restaurant for a year. Other than that, I'm sorry if it's loud, but I mean, come on, look at that view. Can you believe I was just disillusioned with this? This is amazing. Other than that, I really like technology. I figure, why not do some tech stuff too? So yeah, I'm gonna do some cooking videos about Florence, Italy, and my adventures all around Europe, and some tech videos. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.
Like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind over